Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable show animation when unlocking in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on biometrics, and then in biometrics click on fingerprints. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then here you will see a show animation when unlocking button. So if you want to disable show animation when unlocking, then turn off this button. And if you want to enable show animation when unlocking, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can enable or disable show animation when unlocking in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.